Butter chicken skewers in air fryer. And since you guys always ask for serving suggestions, so I turned these skewers into Kathi rolls, and I'm gonna show you that later how I did that. So let's begin with the butter chicken. I took some boneless chicken here. I use chicken breast. You can use chicken thigh if you like that. Add all the spices that are listed on the screen. Kasuri methi is dried fenugreek leaves, and you can easily find these in any Asian supermarket or online as well. Then I added some melted butter. You can use oil if you don't like butter. Let the chicken marinate for an hour, or you can marinate it overnight in the fridge as well. Then make the chicken skewers. I always wrap my rack of the air fryer basket with baking paper. This keeps the chicken soft, moist, and juicy. You can choose not to do that. Once the skewers are ready, I melted some butter and added some paprika in it and brushed the skewers with that. You can skip this step totally. Then for the Kathi rolls, I fried an egg. Then I fried a wrap on top of it, and then I added the lettuce on it, the butter chicken. Then I added some fries. I love fries in my wraps. Then I added some white sauce and wrapped it and served it with some extra fries.